Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and thank you for stopping by. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Today I'm bringing to you guys a very highly requested video. When my Do It For The Culture video came out, I had a lot of people asking me how I did this style, and I said it in my natural hair tag video where I got this style from and who I got it from, but I went ahead and did it myself on my own hair to show y'all this is how I did it. So of course I used the entire Do It For The Culture collection, and the entire collection from the shampoo on down to the gel is powered by black charcoal and black cumin, however you want to say it, the whole line. This has become my absolute favorite line, and I've had, okay, this is my third collection that I have said is my favorite, but y'all, this is my favorite. It has whipped my hair into shape with consistent use because it's all I've been using on my hair ever since I got it. It's all I've been using. So I love how soft it makes my hair feel. It makes my hair feel so clean and not stripped. The black charcoal and the cumin detoxifies your hair, so it kind of works like a mask, like a bentonite mask or something like that. It kind of works like that because it draws out the impurities and the toxins. So yeah, I started out on dirty hair and I got in the shower and got my hair soaking wet, and because I'm low porosity, it does take a while for my hair to get wet, but you know, it's a time for me to reflect. It's reflection time in the shower. So once I get my hair completely wet, I go in with the shampoo, and the shampoo is very light and it suds up well. I mainly focus it on my scalp, but I also bring it down onto the shaft of my hair because I want the shaft of my hair to be clean. I'm not one of those who only shampoos my scalp because I have stuff on all my hair and all of my hair needs to get clean. And after I rinse out the shampoo, I just went straight in with the deep conditioner. I went straight in with that, and I will brush that into my hair, twist it up my hair, and then put that section into a Bantu knot just to get it on out of the way. And then once I finished, I put on a plastic cap and sat under a hooded dryer for about 20 minutes. Then outside of the shower, I took down one section and then separated into smaller sections that I would twist, and I twist up the whole section. And each section I had about 5 twists, and I would twist the section up first and then rod it up with a perm rod. So I went through my entire head doing that, just twisting up the sections and then adding in the perm rods after each section. And then I sat under the dryer for 40 minutes, and then I got out and I was on my computer, you know, doing different things for about, I would say maybe 30 minutes to an hour. I wasn't really tracking, and then I got back under the dryer for another 40 minutes so that my hair could be completely dry when it was time to take it out. You want your hair to be completely dry when you take these perm rods out. After I sat under the dryer and my hair was completely dry and I glowed up a little bit, I went ahead and took out the perm rods and sprayed a little bit of the sophisticated sheen spray on my hands to help add some shine to my hair as I was taking the twist down. And I took each twist out, and as I took each twist out, I went ahead and separated as I took them out. It just made it a whole lot easier to separate them as I took the twist out. And then after I was done taking the twist out, I went ahead and took my pick and started to fluff. Fluff is the name of the game for this style. Now my hair doesn't like to stay big, so I have to do a lot of fluffing. Even throughout the day, I have to fluff a lot because my hair just does not like to stay big. I don't know why. So yeah, fluffing is the name of the game for this, and as the days go on, this style will get bigger, which I love. And I love the look of a high puff with these curls and this texture. I love it. So yeah, after about 2 or 3 days, I'll probably throw it up into a puff. And then I went ahead and added in some bobby pins where I wanted my hair to lift up from off of my eyes to give me a faux bang. So yeah, that is all for this style. It's super easy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.